Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com.
We'll be taking a look at Versace model VE3267 in color code GB1. It's a black gold color frame. On the temples here we have a gold Medusa emblem. This is the inside of the frame. This frame is made in Italy, and this is the serial number. This is the other side of the temple. It is the same. These are demo lenses stamped with the Versace logo in black. The style of the frame is full rim cat eye, and this frame is RXable. Up here we have a Versace gift box, a case to put your glasses in, a microfiber cleaning cloth, and an authenticity booklet.
Thank you for watching. If you want to check out these frames, make sure to check out Eyespecs.com and have a joyful day.